This is Flipper Zero. With a cute and unique design, it became an overnight internet sensation. At one point, TikTok was flooded with videos showcasing this device. In one video, someone appears to change the price at a gas station, while in another, a student remotely changes the channel on a school TV. This catches your eye, so you order it online. But as weeks pass with no delivery, you discover that your Flipper Zero has been seized by the customs. In some countries, this device is even banned outright. But why? Is the Flipper Zero truly dangerous, or is it just being unfairly targeted as a scapegoat? At first glance, the Flipper Zero might remind you of a Tamagotchi or a portable game console from the early 2000s. It's a small pocket-sized device, encased in a durable plastic shell that comes in various colors, although the most iconic version is white. The device features a small LCD screen, which is monochrome and has a retro feel. Below the screen, you'll find a directional pad, better known as D-pad, and a few buttons that simplify navigation. One of the most distinctive aspects of the Flipper Zero's design is the presence of a small dolphin mascot on the screen. This animated character is not just for show. It interacts with the user, providing feedback, guiding through menus, and adding a playful touch to the overall experience. The device size and form make it easy to carry around, whether in a pocket or attached to a keychain, which adds to its appeal as a portable hacking tool. This is Mike. He and his wife share one remote to the garage door. In order to solve this inconvenience, he begins by using Flipper Zero's sub-gigahertz radio module to capture the signal from his garage door remote. He presses the button on his remote while the Flipper Zero is in capture mode, allowing the device to record the radio frequency at a specific signal pattern. After capturing the signal, Mike analyzes it using Flipper Zero software. Since his garage door uses a rolling code system, the software can predict the next code in the sequence. Mike saves this signal, knowing it contains the necessary data to potentially open his garage door. Rolling code works like this. Each time the button is pressed, the remote sends out a code that's a combination of a unique identifier and the number generated by an algorithm. The receiver, which is synced with the remote, recognizes the unique identifier and expects the number within a certain range. If the code matches, the receiver activates the garage door opener. If not, the system rejects it, ensuring that unauthorized access is virtually impossible. This rolling code system, often referred to as a hopping code, significantly enhances security by making it incredibly difficult for hackers or thieves to crack the code, thereby offering peace of mind to users. In essence, it's a clever, continually evolving digital handshake between your remote and the receiver, keeping your garage and by extension your home secure. To test whether the cloned signal will work, Mike first tries to replay the captured code directly. However, due to the rolling code security, the door doesn't open as the system recognizes that the code has already been used. Mike decides to add the Flipper Zero as a new remote to the garage door system. He places the garage door opener into learning mode, a state where it is ready to accept new remotes. With the Flipper Zero, Mike manually enters the correct frequency and security settings for his garage door opener, emulating a new remote. What Mike did here is totally legal. However, unauthorized cloning of other garage door remotes is illegal. The Flipper Zero was brought to life by Pavel Zhovner, a Russian hardware enthusiast who wanted to create a unique and accessible tool for hacking and cybersecurity exploration. The concept originated in 2020, driven by Zhovner's desire to combine the technical capabilities of traditional hacking tools with a playful, user-friendly design. To fund the project, Zhovner launched a Kickstarter campaign, which became an overwhelming success, raising nearly $5 million, far beyond the initial goal. Throughout its development, the team focused on creating a versatile, open-source tool that could read and emulate various signals, including RFID, NFC, and infrared, while also being compact and portable. The Flipper Zero was designed to be as much about education and exploration as it was about functionality, encouraging users to learn and experiment safely and enjoyably. Sarah is on a trip with her 2 kids, staying at a hotel that uses NFC-based car keys for room access. Unfortunately, the hotel only provided her with 1 key card, which is inconvenient for a family of 3. With her Flipper Zero at hand, Sarah decides to create a duplicate of her room key so that she and her kids can have separate access to the room. Sarah starts by using Flipper Zero to read the NFC data stored on the original hotel keycard. She navigates to the NFC menu on the device, selects the read option, and places the hotel card near the back of the Flipper Zero. The device scans the card and records its unique identifier and any additional data required for room access. Once the Flipper Zero successfully reads the card, it displays the card's details on the screen. Sarah saves this information to device internal memory. This saved data can now be used to emulate the card whenever needed. The next time Sarah or one of her kids needs to access the room, she can use the Flipper Zero to emulate the hotel keycard. She navigates to the saved card data in the NFC menu, selects it, and chooses the emulate option. Holding the Flipper Zero near the room's card reader, the door unlocks as if she used the original card. While this method works well with many hotel key systems, it may not work with all, especially if the card uses advanced encryption or proprietary security measures that Flipper Zero cannot bypass. Additionally, using this technology responsibly is important, and such actions should only be performed with systems you own or have explicit permission to modify. In conclusion, the Flipper Zero stands out as a highly versatile tool with a wide range of applications, from experimenting with radio signals and NFC systems to controlling infrared devices and interfacing with custom electronics. Its design and functionality make it accessible to both hobbyists and professionals interested in exploring and interacting with the digital and electronic world. Whether used for educational purposes, security research, or simply as a powerful remote control, the Flipper Zero offers a unique set of capabilities. However, it is important to acknowledge that the same features that make the Flipper Zero a fascinating tool for legitimate exploration can also be exploited for illegal activities. The ability to capture and emulate signals, clone NFC or RFID cards, or manipulate wireless systems presents obvious risks if used unethically. Despite this potential for misuse, the device itself is not illegal to own. It is a neutral tool, and its legality is determined by how it is used.